Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenz on the TV. It's the World Cup qualifiers. Bafana 3, Rwanda 0. I'm John Bafen, my brother Kamabanu Puma Upi.
Angimajobo maziya khona la eMpumalanga.
Igame ibone kanjani?
Ayikembe mnanzi kakhulu. Istibo namuhla emalangeni nginekhuluma leshangathi ngihluthukile.
Yeah.
Especially nje nasita lana emagemini onke la adlalile.
Yeah.
Lafaka ekhathi iPirates neSundowns.
Yeah.
Kodwa sikho lapha.
Yeah.
Namuhla besila ku national team.
Right.
Bathi ngijabule kakhulu.
I know.
Ngijabule kakhulu and ngibe disappointed kancane kule game leZimbabwe neSouth Africa.
Wakhala nga.
Uyabona coach uhluleke ku substitute.
Umadala.
Uhluleke ku substitute coach. Uyabona nakakhipha police nankota wafaka lo Tshepang yedwane.
Yeah.
La ngeke khona kuphathiswa ngilabanye badlali.
Injalo buthi.
Uyayibona le?
Injalo buthi.
So kunginyalo. Namuhla sijabule kakhulu si South Africa. Bonke bayavuma we South Africa we.